morning everyone. How are you all? Great. I hope everyone is enjoying their learning and are preparing themselves for upcoming tests also. Isn't it? So soon the finals are coming and after that you will be going to class 1. Aap big ho jaoge, isn't it? So you all are excited about it. And I know you all want to come to school, but let's continue our learning with these online classes with the help of these videos, and soon we all are praying to meet with each other. Okay class, don't worry about it. So today is 8th February 2021 and the day is Monday. So what are we going to do today? Yes, we are going to do something in our English. So in English, we have been learning about different sounds, different word families, isn't it? We have done A, E, I, O, U. ये जो 5 vowels होते हैं, इनके हमने बहुत सारी word families study करी, इनके related words को समझा. You have understood it, then you have learned it, and nowadays you all are using them, isn't it? Then we have done SH, sure sound, WH, were sound, CH, ch, double O, double E. These also the different sounds we have done. So what are we going to do today? Today I have few more sounds, or you can say families to understand about. But the way is just the same. Follow the sounds and make the word. Clear? So the different sounds that we are going to discuss today is ak, ak. Just try to say the sounds of all those letters written here. Blend them and then you will able to speak the sound clearly. जितने भी alphabets, जो alphabets यहाँ लिखे हैं, उनकी sounds को जब आप बोलोगे, blend करोगे, आपस में mix करके बोलोगे, you will able to pronounce it correctly, like act, and, end. Now see, A-N-D is and, because A says A, E says A, so we call it end. Then we have ain't, we have est, and we have oat. So these are few sounds that we are going to study today. Okay, so the words that we are going to learn here are, let's try to find out few words related to these sounds. Now moving towards the first sound, ak. Can you see I'm standing here and when I write, so what is this? Which body portion is this? We call it back. जब हमारे कमर पे we call it कमर in हिंदी, right? So जब भी हमें यहाँ पे कोई चोट लगती है या मैम को आपको गुड बोलना होता है, what she do? आपको यहाँ पे पैट करते हैं, good. So what we do? We pat on the back. So which body part is this? Back, isn't it? What we call it? Back. We call it back. बैक मतलब पीछे भी जाना हो गया. पापा कार बैक कर रहे हैं, यानी कि कार को पीछे की तरफ ले जा रहे हैं. One back is this, your body part. तो basically back means पीछे का हिस्सा. Back side of the home, आपके घर के पीछे की तरफ. There is a park, isn't it? ऐसे होता है ना कि there is a park towards the back side of my home. घर के पीछे की तरफ जाएंगे तो एक पार्क है. So back means पीछे की तरफ. Clear? Okay. What is this? Now the next word that I am going to tell you, whenever mama goes to market to purchase groceries or something, तो आप जब ग्रोसरी की शॉप पे जाते हो, ग्रोसरी क्या होती है? जो ड्राई स्टफ ममा किचन के लिए लाती है, लाइक पल्सेस, राइस, शुगर, isn't it? इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? ग्रोसरी कहते हैं. तो जब भी हम ग्रोसरी शॉप पे जाते हैं एंड वी परचेज ऑल दीज थिंग्स, तो आपने उनकी शॉप पे देखा होगा बोरियां रखी होती हैं, वी कॉल इट बोरी और यू कैन कॉल इट बोरा, isn't it? So what we call that बोरा, sack. कभी आप वीट शॉप पे जाएंगे जहाँ ग्रेन्स, राइस, इवन जो हम घर पे मम्मा फ्लावर खरीद के लाती हैं आटा, वो किस में आता है? दैट कम्स इन अ सैक, अ बिग बैग। जो बिग बैग होता है मेड ऑफ जूट, वो जूट का बना हुआ होता है एंड वी कॉल इट सैक। मेनी टाइम्स आपने देखा होगा, हाउ फर्स्ट लेट्स सी हाउ टू राइट सो। नाउ व्हेन यू विल लिसन टू द वर्ड, व्हाट साउंड इज कमिंग? सैक, so act, sack. So how we write? So act, sack. Clear? अब आपने कभी देखा होगा, if you will see any race program या किसी भी स्कूल में आपने स्पोर्ट्स डे देखा होगा, so there is a sack race. वो क्या होता है? हम बोरी में खड़े हो जाते हैं, उसको ऊपर करके पकड़ते हैं और फिर उस बोरी को, उस सैक को पकड़ के हम जंप करते हैं। So that is sack race. सैक को पकड़ के भागना होता है। तो सैक इज बेसिकली बोरा। अगर हम बहुत रेगुलर या बहुत इजी लैंग्वेज में बोले तो इट इज बोरा। क्लियर? ये क्या होता है? जूट से बना हुआ होता है एंड इट इज यूज्ड फॉर कीपिंग थिंग्स विच आर लार्ज इन क्वांटिटी। बड़े बड़े क्वांटिटी में सामान भरना होता है। कीप इफ यू वांट टू कीप दैट, फॉर दैट वी यूज सैक। क्लियर? So the two act sound words we have learned is back, sack. Now, can you tell me what is this? Your hair. What is the color of my hair? Black. Isn't it? What is the color of my hair? Black. So let's write down that now. Black. That is black. Black means kala, black color, kala rang. Is that clear to all? Okay. Now moving to the next sound we have ant. Can you tell me anything related to this word? Let me give you some example. Whenever you go to a marriage, आप कभी शादी में जाते हो, so you must have seen there is a group of people. लोगों का एक ग्रुप होता है. They play different musical instruments. Songs बनाते हैं वो उससे, वो songs play कर रहे होते हैं and using different musical instruments. तो वो जो लोगों का ग्रुप होता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? शादी में आपने देखा होगा, whenever there is a marriage, आप अगर रोड से क्रॉस कर रहे हो और नियर बाय कोई शादी का प्रोसेशन जा रहा है, someone is sitting, मतलब वो जो दूल्हा होता है वो हॉर्स पे बैठा होता है, so there is a group of people playing musical instruments. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Band. Yes, we call it a band. And band. So let's write that now here. So you all know what is a band now? And band. Now अगर आपने 26 जनवरी की परेड भी देखी होगी तो उसमें आपने देखा था few of the troops, कुछ ग्रुप्स थे बच्चों के और you can call adult लोगों के ग्रुप्स थे जो different musical instruments बजा रहे थे. Those group are called band. स्कूल लेवल पे भी होते हैं, कॉलेज लेवल पे भी होते हैं. ये अलग अलग हर एरिया, मतलब हर आपको जैसे स्कूल है, if it's a very big school तो उसमें भी एक बैंड ट्रूप होता है. Then we have different band troops in our army, navy, air force. So lot of people have such troops which are called band. Clear everyone? Okay. Now next, what body part is this? What do you call this? इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Hand. Hand. Isn't it? So you all are very much familiar with these sounds and you are using these words. Her and hand. Her and hand. So the and sound word is b and band. Her and hand. Now moving towards one more word. The best example which I can give you here is you all of you love playing Yes, whenever we go to any seashore, हम कभी भी समुद्र के किनारे जाते हैं, हम वहां जाके महल बनाते हैं इसको यूज करके. Whenever you are coming to school, जब आप टॉडलर थे, आप स्कूल आते थे पढ़ाई करने, इवन अभी भी whenever any of your younger brother sister is coming, so the first time you learn writing on this thing, आप उसी में सबसे पहले फिंगर से लिखना स्टार्ट करते हैं. रेत, सैंड, isn't it? एक ट्रे में सैंड रखी होती है जिसमें मैम आपको अल्फाबेट ट्रेसिंग सिखाती है in the lower KG class. So that is surf and sand. और सैंड के कैसल्स बनाना भी बहुत पसंद होता है हम सबको. So the word we have learned is sand. Sand मतलब रेत. Clear? So the three and sound words are band, hand, sand. Understood all? Okay. So now the next sound we have is end. 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 This is and, this is end. Clear? Now can you tell me any word related to this sound? Yes? कुछ सामान गिर गया and you have to pick. तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? Bend. आप क्या कर रहे हो? नीचे झुक रहे हो, isn't it? जब हम नीचे झुकते हैं, हमारी हाफ बॉडी नीचे झुक जाती है. What we call it? We call it bend. Bend होना, नीचे की तरफ झुकना. So whenever you have any elder at home, आप उनके फुट्स को टच करते हो, you bend, isn't it? So that is bend, झुकना. Clear? So the word that we have learned, end, bend, and bend here means is झुकना. Is that clear to all? Okay. One more word. If I give you the example here is, we have just done the poem. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe, get it done by 2:30. So what we are asking cobbler to do? Mend the shoe. End, mend. And what is the meaning of this mend? ठीक करना. Mend means किसी खराब चीज को ठीक करना. So the word here we have is end, mend. What word we have learned? End, mend. Clear? Okay. One more word. See, whenever we need something, आपको मान लीजिए कुछ स्टोरी बुक पढ़नी है and you are not getting it, but आपके फ्रेंड के पास वो स्टोरी बुक है, तो आप क्या करोगे? You will ask that story book और वो आपको देंगे. So what does that mean? Lend, देना. What does that mean? Lend. So the three end sound words are bend, mend, lend. Clear? So let's first revise all the words. Act sound. Back, sack, black. And sound we have band, hand, sand. Then end sound we have bend, mend, lend. Now comes the next sound, that is end. End sound. Can you tell me something about it? Whenever we go out for camping, हम कहीं बाहर ऐसी जगह जाते हैं जहाँ पे होटल्स अवेलेबल नहीं हैं और हमें नेचर के बीच में रहना है, मजा आता है वहाँ पर. So how you are going to stay there? क्या यूज करते हैं हम? Tent. You remember? End sound word. Tent. And tent. So the thing that we use to stay there is tent. Clear? Okay. Now the next word is very easy one. आपने देखा भी होगा. So if you bring your water bottle in school, or many of you used to carry steel water bottles, अब वो जब गिर जाती है तो उसमें एक छोटा सा गड्ढा हो जाता है. वो वैसे नहीं होता कि उसमें से पानी गिरता है, बट वो अंदर थोड़ा सा ना जो उसकी बॉडी होती है वो अंदर प्रेस हो जाती है. समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस विद योर कार, बाइक, स्कूटर ऑल्सो, कि बाय मिस्टेक अगर उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया है या वो किसी और व्हीकल से टच हो गई है तो उसकी बॉडी थोड़ी सी डी शेप हो जाती है, उसकी जो शेप है वो खराब हो जाती है, वो अंदर दब जाती है. व्हाट वी कॉल इट? वी कॉल इट डेंट. डेंट पड़ जाना, इजंट इट? जो उसकी नेचुरल शेप थी वो थोड़ी सी खराब हो गई और उस पर क्या लग गया? डेंट लग गया. सो दैट इज डेंट. D-E-N-T, that is dent, dent. Clear? And the last one is bend. जब आप किसी चीज को ऐसे मोड़ के छोड़ देते हो. Okay? So the last word we have learned is bend. So the three end sound words are tent, dent and bend. Now moving to the next we have is est sound. सबसे पहला word, the most easy thing, where a bird lives, the house of a bird is called nest. Yes, and they make it on tree. So the word we have done is nest. देखो आप सबको सारी words पता है, you all are aware of them, but अभी क्या हो रहा है, हमने उनकी sound समझ के उनकी spellings भी समझ ली, isn't it? So the first word with est sound word that you have learned, or you can say you have understood, is est, nest. Clear? Okay. Now you always, all of you, wear something under your shirt. जब भी आप ड्रेसअप होते हैं तो मम्मा आपको शर्ट या जो भी आपको ऊपर टॉप होता है उसके अंदर आपको एक गारमेंट पहनाती है, उसके नीचे. So what is that called? Vest. You remember that? Vest. What is that called? Vest. So in Hindi अगर हम उसे बात करें तो आप बहुत कॉमन लैंग्वेज में उसके लिए बोलते हो बनियान, but it is not called बनियान, we call it vest. Clear? What do you call it? Vest. So we have nest, vest, one more word, your upper body part. Which is your upper body part? This part. You all touch this part of your body. So what this body part is called? Can anyone tell me? It's your chest. Yes, you have done in the parts of body now. So it is called chest, chest. So the three H sound words are nest, vest, chest. Clear? Now the last sound that we are going to do is oat sound. See class, we are doing transports in EVS. So this is one of the water transport. Boat, boat. Remember that? So one of the water transport, how we write? Boat, boat. Boat, boat. Okay, now tell me what ma'am is wearing this. Can you see it? Ma'am is wearing something. ये मैम everyday पहनती है. What is this? What do we call it? Even when Papa is going to office, Papa also wear it. What we call this? It's a coat. Yes. What do you call it? Coat. So how we write it? Coat. Coat. We write it as coat. Coat. Now, who does it? कौन सा एनिमल करता है ऐसे? बकरी. यस, बकरी मेह मेह करती है ना, तो बकरी को हम इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? व्हाट वी कॉल इट? गोट. यस, वी कॉल इट अ गोट. Oat, goat. Isn't it? So the three oat sound words are boat, coat and goat. So class, if you will look carefully, you will see that today again we have done 6 different sounds, but the words that we have understood under these sounds were all familiar to us. हम सब जानते थे इनके बारे में. Isn't it? Yes? Very nice. So now let's move towards the work. So in your book, page number 92. So book page number 92. You will find more word families topic, and what you have to do, this page is only for your reading reference. Clear? उस page पे जितने भी words हैं, you are going to read them all, and today's work to be done in the notebook. So open your notebook and let's see how we are going to do our today's work there. Okay class? Take out your notebooks. So class, now let's see how we are going to do today's work in notebook. So what we have learnt about few more word families and words in them. So how we are going to do the work? First of all, let's write down today's date. So after writing the date, mention classwork also. Okay? So this is the date and we are going to mention classwork. Now, these are the different word families that we have learnt. Act and end. Ent, est, ot. So like this, you are going to write these families towards the left hand side of your borderline. Okay? And after that, divide the page in 3 columns. And in these columns we are going to write the names. So the first word that we have learnt with act sound is back. Yes. So we are going to write back. Then we did yes, जिसमें हम सामान रखते हैं, और you must have seen sometimes people racing, उसमें खड़े होके जंप करके रेस करते हैं. What is that? Sack. Yes. Sack. Back. Sack. Now can you tell me what should I write here? What is the color of your hair, or what is the color of this? What color I have used? Which color pen I am using here? Black. Yes. So we are going to write black. Many of us have black color hair also, isn't it? So black. Now next sound is and. Can you tell me words related to the sound? And band. Yes. So we have here and band. And I hope you are clear by now what is a band. Yes, there are few people, a group of people playing different instruments. Okay? And they play musical tunes using those instruments. So that's called a band. Now what is this? Hand. Yes. So let's write that. Her and hand. Her and hand. And what should I write here? Can anyone tell me the next word? Yes, when we go to beach, we play using sand. And sand. Clear? Okay. Now, this is end. This is and. This is end. Now, tell me, when we do exercise and we touch our toes, what you do? We bend. Yes. Bend. Bend. This is and this is end. Okay? Now when you are giving your things to your friend, what you are doing? Lend. जब हम किसी से कुछ लेते हैं, lend. Then next, what a cobbler do? It mend. He mend the shoe. End. Repair karna, ठीक करना. Okay. Now next we have is ent. Yes, ent. Ent. Tent. Yes. When we go for camping, we live in tent. Next, tell me, dent. जब हमारी कार कहीं पे टच हो जाती है या कोई इवन एट योर होम अगर कोई यूटेंसिल जोर से गिर जाता है तो उसमें क्या आ जाता है? डेंट. वो अंदर दब जाती है ना. मैक्सिमम टाइम इफ यू मस्ट हैव सीन जब आप स्टील बॉटल्स यूज करते हो. यस, सो दैट इज डेंट. एंड डेंट. And last, bent. Now, next we have is est. So, where a bird live? Nest. Est. Nest. Then, something that we wear under our shirt? Vest. Yes. And what is the upper body part called? Chest. 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 Clear? Okay. The last sound we have is oat. Row, row, row your boat. So we got a word boat. Oat. Boat. Now, meh, meh. Who do this? Goat. Yes. So we are going to write goat. Okay. Whenever Papa is going to office, he wears something. I told you that ma'am is also wearing it, na? Black color coat. Yes. So we will write coat. Understood? So let's see what all words we have written. Back, sack, black. Band, hand, sand. Bend, lend, mend. Tent, dent, bent. Nest, vest, chest. Boat, goat, coat. And this is how you will do your today's work. So this is classwork. And homework will be same as classwork. Okay. So you have to learn and write these words again as your today's homework. Clear, everyone? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to do your today's classwork and homework. So first of all, do the reading work and after that finish your work and get ready for today's next class. Take care.